What is up, fam? Welcome back to Leslie's Tarot. This reading here is for my Scorpio zodiac signs. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. I'm finally up. Okay, up and at 'em. Let's go ahead and dive in. All right, let's see. What's coming in for Scorpios? What is coming in for my Scorpios? What's the energy looking like? All right, let's start simple. What's coming in for Scorpios? Not too much, Spirit. Let's ease on in. What's coming in? Massive regrets. Okay, so somebody's regretful getting readings. For some of y'all, somebody could be regretful about a reading or about getting a reading. Somebody could have a tattoo like on their shoulder. That really stood out to me in this picture. Oh, he's got like a big old tattoo. So somebody could be regretful about a tarot reading or readings. Okay, or a reading that they got from a person or on a person. Why is somebody in massive regrets? Moving on, letting go, loving you, and free. Somebody is regretting letting you go. No strings. Yeah. This is somebody that didn't want any strings attached. Somebody regrets letting you go, moving on, and freeing themselves. Or somebody has regrets. That's why they're moving on and letting go. They're trying to free themselves from something. Wow, what's going on? Why is this here? Why is this here? Massive regrets, but moving on. Love child. This could be about a child. Somebody could be very toxic. There could be a toxic child or toxic connection, or somebody's like, we just got to move on. Got to let this go. Yeah, somebody could be toxic, reckless, rejected. And now somebody feels rejected. Somebody could feel like they had a child with a toxic person, or somebody just lives like a very reckless, toxic lifestyle. Yeah. Somebody feels like somebody lives like a very toxic, reckless, over the top, out there lifestyle. This be somebody that likes to party. They go out. They surround themselves with not the best crowd. They overindulge, like all kind of stuff is what I'm saying. Like toxic energy. What's that? Like somebody regrets. It's like, dang, like I regret even dealing with that, or I regret even, allowing that to take place. Or I regret having a kid with that person, or I regret being reckless with that kid, or something like that. We have sex addiction. There could be somebody with a sex addiction. Like somebody's like, damn, like I should have held back, or I should not. Yeah, somebody feels like they this ain't for everybody. Now you could be the one that's moving on. You could have regrets, like you're like, dang, like I regret even having a kid with that person because they're so toxic. They just it's hard to even co-parent with that person, or to deal with that person, or to get involved. It's something like that, or to So somebody feels rejected, or somebody's going to be. You could be rejecting somebody. Okay. What's the emotions here? Like, somebody's just regretful. They're like, I hate that I got involved, or I hate that I did this, or tell me about this energy with massive regrets. Moving on, letting go. What's this about? What's the massive regrets here? You decide somebody's not speaking. Charming, graceful, kind-hearted. So somebody could be very kind-hearted, very charming, very graceful, but somebody's going silent. We have silence, frozen, no words, stonewall. Somebody's stonewalling somebody. Like somebody don't want to talk to somebody. It's toxic. So it's a lot of toxicity here or something. clinging, holding on, obsessing, spying, and influences, attached with third-party spirits. It could be like too many people involved, too many third parties. It could be who people are attached to. Like somebody's like holding on to a third party, an attachment, something like that. Okay. All right, let's see. What else is going on? Or what else is happening with Scorpio? Somebody's really pretty, though. Like, somebody's very beautiful. They're very kind-hearted. They're very charming. Very beautiful energy. But somebody could have, like, just given, like, a blank stare. Like, somebody could be given, like, a blank stare. Or just, somebody's emotionless in some sort of way. What's going on? Somebody could also have a beard. Somebody could be have a beard and a bald head. That could be significant. What's going on? Messages for Scorpio. Left you hanging. No closure, no contact, left on red. Somebody could be leaving somebody on red. This is, yeah. Somebody that somebody has a karmic tie with. They're just letting it go, or they don't want to communicate. They're not texting back. This could be you. You could be choosing not to text somebody back, or going no contact with a person, or you're choosing to leave them hanging. Some of y'all could do yoga, or like, you see how ain't that yoga or something, like how she's like hanging in a thing. Some of y'all could have like a sunroom, or is it a solarium? Oh, I really want one of those. Like a sunroom or a solarium could be significant as well. I would love to have one of those rooms so bad. I would love to have one of those rooms. That could be significant. I don't know if some of y'all do yoga, or you're in like, you have like these big windows. You could like to do yoga in front of the, like in the sunlight, like the big windows or something. Okay. Let's see, messages for Scorpio. What's this left you hanging? Why did somebody leave somebody hanging? Why did somebody leave somebody hanging? Mirroring, because somebody's a reflection of a person. Like, it's like, okay, somebody's going through something, they're mirroring their energy back. Like somebody's a mirror to a person. Too late. Yeah, something's too late. Like, this is like projecting, or somebody's looking into another person or something like that. They're mirroring their energy, their reflection, or they're reflecting something back to them. And that's why somebody's leaving somebody hanging. Why? Why the mirroring energy? What's the mirroring energy about? A false start. Could be a fake pregnancy. A false new beginning. Something could be going on with DNA. Spiritual downloads. Somebody could be gaining some sort of insight. Gaining some sort of downloads about this. What's the mirroring about? We have illumination, truth, discovery, and awakening. Yeah, somebody's seeing the truth about a false start, or fake news, or something's being illuminated to somebody. Yeah, feelings. That somebody was in their feelings. And this could also be like somebody's mirroring feelings to another person. Like, this person feels some sort of way, so now they feel some sort of way. So that could be the reason why somebody's like, I just don't want to communicate. You know how, like, it's giving an energy like, damn, I feel like I'm not connected. Like, I feel like there's a disconnect or something. I don't know if y'all feel disconnected from this person. But what I was getting was, it feels like, you know how somebody texts you and they're like, oh my God, me and Rob just got into it, right? Me and Rob, you know, we were arguing all night and da-da-da-da. And then you're like, well, what happened, you know? And then they start telling you, and then you start feeling kind of upset and angry and getting in your feelings. I feel like somebody was doing that. Like, they were mirroring somebody else's feelings and emotions. And so that's why somebody's just kind of leaving somebody on red, because they're like, you know, like somebody could have like found out about a fake pregnancy, or a DNA test. Like, somebody could have been like, I don't think that baby's yours, or something like that. Oh God. For some of y'all, the truth could be coming out about a child. A child's not somebody's, or something like that. Sorry, y'all. There's Snow in the background playing with her brother. A child could not be somebody. Somebody could be finding that out, and that's why somebody's leaving somebody on red, or somebody faked the whole damn pregnancy. What is this? What's the emotions here with the left you hanging? What's the emotions here? What's going on with that? Obscurity, secrets, mysteries, and concealing. See, somebody's hiding something, or somebody's trying to be secretive or something. We have hoping, expecting, faith, and manifesting. So somebody was hoping that the truth would come out, or that it's like somebody was trying to manifest something. Manifest the truth to come out, or they're having faith about something that may not come off the ground, or something like that. It's too many secrets here. Everything's not being revealed, or it's like you're trying to manifest off of hope. This could be like somebody saying that they're pregnant, and they're like, are you sure that they're pregnant? They're like, yeah, they told me they were pregnant. And it's like, okay, well, can we get a DNA test? Or not a DNA test, but can we get a pregnancy test? Or like, don't get me all excited that you're pregnant. It's really not that. I don't know. Let's see. What's this massive regrets energy for Scorpio? I just don't feel like I'm connecting right now, y'all. I'm sorry. What's going on? Yeah, the month of March could be significant. 60 years old and up. Lazy eye or eye patch. It's about February. So February and March could be significant. Old dogs can learn new tricks. So somebody could be older than you. Create you a side hustle. So somebody may need to like create a side hustle or something. Some of y'all could be choosing to create a side hustle in the next couple of months. Attacked you out of jealousy and bitterness. So somebody could have been doing that. And it says their magic is backfiring, karma playing out. So somebody could be going through karma. Okay. Somebody could be going through karma here. Bottom of the deck says small progress is great progress. So somebody could be dealing with karma or going through karma because they attacked somebody out of jealousy and bitterness. Somebody just was in their feelings, in their emotions. This could be over a child. For some of y'all, there's like a toxic child, or, and I hate to say that, and this child could be grown, y'all. We got to think of it like that. This child could be grown. But there could be like a toxic child, and somebody regrets even dealing with certain things, because it's like, okay, this person's just toxic. They haven't grown up yet. They're lashing out because they're bitter, or because they're jealous, or something like that. Yay, he's gonna come put her car together. Okay. But March and February could be significant. What's going on in March and February? What's up with February? What does Scorpio need to know about February? Effed up over you. So somebody's going to be in their feelings in the month of February. Sorry, y'all. What about March? I miss you in the month of March. So somebody's going to be in their feelings in February, and then in March they'll be missing this person. Yeah, not happy. Like somebody's not going to be happy about it. Say hey. Say hey, bye-bye. Hey. She said hey, bye-bye. Say hey. Hey. All right, so what's the left you hanging with mirroring? What's that? Left you hanging with the mirroring card. See, some of y'all do like yoga, meditation type of thing. We got meditation. Or you may want to sit down and do that today. I know I'm going to, because I just feel so disconnected. Promotion or a raise. Some of y'all could be getting a promotion or a raise. Okay. That could be the reason why you're leaving somebody hanging. Okay. Build that savings account. Some of y'all need to save money. Yeah, blue, white, blue, red, or white car or truck could be significant. Bath and Body Works. Okay, maybe some of y'all are going to get some smell good. What's going on? That's just for Scorpio. Some of y'all may need to like put the phone down for a while, if you can, you know, and like meditate or connect. White socks. Somebody could live in a duplex or a fourplex. Hard times are almost over. Some of y'all are maybe you've been dealing with some struggles. We got dreams coming in. So something about meditating, connecting with source. Maybe putting the phone down, like leaving, not necessarily leaving somebody on red or anything like that, but like take a break from social media. That that type of thing, when you get too caught up in social media or too caught up in YouTube videos or movies and stuff like that, and you need to just take time to yourself. That could be significant. Because something here about a false start or something like that could be could come about, or something about fake news or something like that. Okay, what's any other messages for Scorpio? Any other messages for Scorpio? We have lottery wins. Some of y'all may scratch or play the lottery. This is not me encouraging, but somebody may play like a lottery ticket and could win some money on there. Hair salon or barbershop. Some of y'all could be going to the barbershop or getting your hair done. A minivan could be significant. Fast movement. Some of y'all, your confirmation, y'all gonna see like a speeding minivan. It could be like, that could be your confirmation that hard times are almost over, or that your manifestations are coming. They want you to keep having faith. If you see a minivan and it's like speeding, you're gonna be like, damn, that thing driving fast. That's your confirmation, okay? Like they know they need to slow down in that minivan, honey. You know what I'm saying? Because when I think of a minivan, I'm thinking of a soccer mom, soccer dad with a car load of kids. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, damn, why they speed like that? What are you doing? Why did he give you a sucker? A sister or brother could be significant, and a hating ass water sign. So some of y'all could be dealing with another water sign, against the Scorpio, Pisces, and they could be a bit of a hater, okay? But anyway, I'm going to leave this one here, Scorpio. I hope this gives some clarity and some insight. I don't know what the hell I'm reading. Okay. That minivan thing, I think I'm going to do that as the thumbnail. I don't know why. I just see like a minivan going, like, so, I don't know. Scorpio, I hope this gives you clarity and insight. Appreciate y'all so much for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.